You searched how to buy shares of Bel Fuse Inc., a company that makes electronic connectors, magnetic components, and power protection products trading on NASDAQ under the ticker BELFB. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you typically must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BELFB to find Bel Fuse Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary, sector information, and the price chart to confirm it's the right Bel Fuse Inc. listing. Double-check the ticker BELFB and the NASDAQ label before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Bel Fuse position will appear in your portfolio with holdings and order history. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same process.